Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a close-up, natural, updated brow tutorial, and it is going to be featuring some Benefit Cosmetics brow products. First, starting off with the Foolproof Brow Powder, and this one is in the shade 03 Medium. There are 3 shades to choose from, light, medium, and deep. And it retails for $24 for 0.07 ounces of product. You do get a mirror on the inside, which is super convenient for traveling with, and you also get a little applicator which has a hidden spoolie, and this is how you put it together. Again, some of these products are my very first impression of the product, so I was amazed by this option and I am using this for the first time, and we'll see how it goes with my natural kind of very thin and spacey brows. So I spoolied it out, and now I'm going to apply the lighter shade of the medium Foolproof brow powder on the front part of my brow, and then I'm going to go ahead on and continue with using the darker shade on the tail side of my brows. I also wanted to mention that this product is formulated without paraben, sulfates, and phthalates, and it is for those natural looking fullness lovers. So sometimes I really like natural looks, and by the end of this video you might be impressed, because I definitely was impressed with this product. It does take a little bit longer to apply, personally in my opinion, with this applicator, so I am going to be switching the applicator to the Benefit Angled Brow Brush and Spoolie, and this retails for $20. You can purchase it anywhere Benefit is sold, which is everywhere. So this is a dual-ended brush and spoolie designed for expert brow definition. In my opinion, it's very high quality feeling. It's so amazing, and I'm definitely glad that I got to try this out, because it does apply the product, in my opinion, very well. And specifically if you want a specific shape as well. So I'm going to go ahead again and use the Foolproof medium shade and go with the lighter shade in the front and the darker shade on the tail end. And again, you do have to apply it with a light hand and build it up, and eventually you'll get there. Just keep going. In my opinion, it is worth the wait if you take your time. And from my experience, brows definitely take the longest for me, and the whole eye area actually. So this is what it looks like using a brush instead of the applicator that it comes with, and it definitely speeds up the time. Next, we're going to move on to the Benefit Cosmetics Highbrow Highlight and Lift Pencil, which retails for $22. You get 0.1 ounces of product, which is a lot of product, because a little bit goes such a long way. As you can see, I am just lining the underlining of my eyes. In my preference, I do the angle kind of shape, and I just slightly apply it because it's very, very pigmented, and it is described as a universally flattering linen pink shade. It's very pale pink, and I don't know if it works out for every skin tone, but for mine it does. And first I'm going to blend it off with the flat eyeshadow brush, and it's very bold right now, but as you can but later in the video you will see how it blends out so perfectly, and you just gotta really take your time. This is my first impression with it. I am going back in with the brush and product of the Foolproof brow powder and filling in parts that I think need it, and then I'm going to go back with the flat angled eyeshadow brush and just kind of without any product and just whatever was left over kind of define the top angle of my eyebrows. So next I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the Highbrow highlight pencil, put more product, and then go in with a fluffier kind of flat eyeshadow. I think this might be a concealer brush actually, and blend that out. And as you can see, that definitely made a difference. Next, we're going to move on to the Benefit 3D Browtones Instant Color Highlights. And this is the shade 04 Medium Deep, which is described as a medium brown to black shade. Here is the spoolie. It looks like a tiny little mascara wand. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my eyebrows, but very gently and lightly. This is again my first impression of this product as well. It retails for $24 and you get 0.2 ounces of product. It is water resistant, long wearing, and it is a brow gel that instantly brushes on color highlights. Next up, I'm trying for the first time the 24-hour Brow Setter Shaping and Setting Gel. And this retails for $24. And this is a spoolie. It's very interesting. It's flat, but it has two different kind of sides. I'm going to use the kind of smaller bristle side first and then the longer bristle side. And this is an invisible brow gel that shapes, sets, and locks in brow color for 24 hours. And the results are amazing. I'm definitely obsessed with that product. And last but not least, to complete my eyebrows in this tutorial, I am using the Benefit Highbrow Glow Luminous Highlight and Lift Pencil, which is almost like the Highbrow, but it's actually a universal highlight, and it is a cream champagne pink shade, and it retails for $22. You get 0.1 ounces of product. As you can see in my tutorial, I'm only using it on the brow bone, and it's not super luminous, but it's like a natural kind of glow, and I absolutely love it. But that completes my natural brow tutorial video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. If you have non-existent brows and really need some help, but you also prefer natural looking brows, then I personally think that a lot of these products really help you in achieving that. And it is my first impressions with a lot of them, and I was super impressed. So if you like this video, go ahead and comment down below, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys.